work issues and all. So the next time we will have a quiz. I'm just going to announce that. So you guys are going to have a quiz. I'll divide this, all of you guys into 4 teams. Once you join the call on that day, I'll divide everyone into 4 teams. Okay. So those who win will definitely get, I'll talk to the details team, and you guys will get the, monthly winner or weekly winners. So you have a lot of chance to win that as well. So I request everybody to, go through the course, actually go through the course. Don't concentrate on only getting the certification from Google. You have to do a little bit more than that. Okay. You have to understand the topics. So, okay. So that's about the quiz. So the quiz, it will have around 25 to 30 questions for all the 4 or 5 teams. So you guys, those who, answer a lot of questions will win the prize. Okay. The questions are going to be a little bit tricky, but these are related to your course only. And also going forward, we'll also have some crossword puzzles. I'll send the crossword puzzles to Sandhya, after this quiz. And those who answer the crossword puzzle correctly and send it back to Sandhya will win. Okay. So you have to be fast. Yeah, I think those are the two things I wanted to tell you. So this week, as I'm also not feeling well, I want to understand if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. So if you don't have any doubts, I'll explain a little concept and I'll wind up the session. So for the first part, do you guys have any questions? Are you going through the course? How do you feel about the course? Is it difficult? Is it easy to learn? Just tell me a feedback kind of thing for me to understand, how the course is for you. So anyone can start. Or I'll call a name. Guys, say, this is 201. You should not stay silent, okay? The person who I call now should definitely, speak in the call. It's okay. I mean, I don't ask you to speak only in English. You can also speak in Tamil. You can also speak in Kannada. You can also speak in Hindi. It's up to you. I just want you guys to open up in the call, okay? So I'll call... okay, 1 minute. Deepa. Deepa, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Deepa. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, good afternoon.
Yeah. So how is the course for you? And what are the things you have learned till now? You can share it with all your colleagues. Hello? Deepa, you're on mute. So tell your, all the people in the call, just tell how did you feel about the course and what did you learn? Sorry for that disturbance. There's something going on outside. Yeah, Deepa.
Due to heavy rain, ma'am, network issue irukku.
Okay. It's okay. I mean, we can hear you properly. It's okay. So what are the things you learned in the course till now?
Hello.
The past 2 or 3 weeks.
Hello. Can you hear me, ma'am? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Deepa, I can hear you. Okay, guys, there is no chance you should not say network issues when you came to 201. Okay, try to find some stable stable internet network, and then join the call. Talk to everybody. So, yeah, then I'll call another person. Afsana Begum, do you hear? Afsana? Afsana? Sandhya, as we have, already spoken, those who don't speak in the call will definitely go to red zone. Okay? No network issues, no nothing. Okay? No reasons. I'll accept 0 reasons. Okay? Not even network issues. I don't want to hear that as well. Okay? So those who don't speak, just put them in the red. We'll see what will happen.
afternoon, ma'am.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? I got muted with someone else. Okay. So Maurya, tell us, what did you feel about the course? Did you guys actually go through the course or did you not? Just, admit it. Have you gone through the course?
நாட்ல வந்து அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி கிரியேட் பண்றதுன்னு கத்துக்கிட்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து ஆட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து எப்படி கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கறது சொல்லி கொடுத்தீங்க. அது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு. அப்புறம் அது அந்த ஆட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து எதுக்காக வந்து நம்ம இது பண்றோம் வெப்சைட்ல, ஏன் வந்து இப்போ இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது அது இடையில அப்பப்போ வருங்க மேம். அப்ப வந்து அது ஏன் அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் வருதுன்னு தெரியல. நீங்க சொல்லி கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் இதுவும் ஒரு மார்க்கெட்டிங்கா பண்றாங்க அப்படிங்கறது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன்.
Okay. So Maurya, talk about 201 course. Have you get the chance to go through the topics of 201?
மேம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மீட் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணலைங்க மேம். சாரி.
You didn't start it, is it? Okay, Sandhya, what are the things we have told them to complete by this week? Sorry, by last week? Modules, is it? And is there... Okay, so is there anyone who have finished all the 8 modules? Anyone? Just, raise your hand. Super. Tanvi, Nalini, Suhashish, very nice. I expect you, Suhashish. You will always do. I know that for sure. I have a lot of trust in you. And then Jai Bharati, yes. Deepa, did you actually finish it? But you are not talking. Okay. And wait, Kavina also, she finished. Okay. Okay, now I'll ask one of you guys to speak about what you have learned. Just explain everybody what you have learned and what they are actually missing. So I'll call Tanvi now. Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Hi Tanvi. So what did you learn in the course? How is the course for you? I mean, all the 8 modules. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, little bit tough. Huh? Okay. So what are the topics you like the most out of these 8?
Compared to 101, it's little tough.
Which one?
Compared to 101, it's little tough.
Yeah. 101 is like easy topics, but 201 is going to be a little bit difficult. But if you concentrate on it, you'll understand why we are learning this course and all. Okay. So Tanvi, did you not understand any topic in that 8 modules out of those 8? So what are the things? I mean, no, Tanvi, see, name all the 8 modules you have learned till now, and explain one by one.
Okay. 1 second.
Yeah. You can open your details portal and you can tell me. It's okay.
Can I tell only two? First is how to take a business online.
Okay. What did you learn in that?
How we can search business, like how we can improve our business contacts, like that.
Okay. And what is the second module you have learned?
How to search on web.
How to? Sorry. Okay. How to search online, is it?
Yeah. How to find business online.
Okay. Yeah. So what did you learn in that?
How to make search work for your, how can we improve our business? Search campaign, like that.
Okay.
How we can improve our search campaign, or how can we search by ads?
Okay.
Yeah, that's it, ma'am.
Okay. So Have you finished all the 8 modules? I mean, what she has given you, did you actually finish them?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Tanvi. Nice, Tanvi. At least you are speaking in the call. That's a good sign, actually. Thank you. Thank you, Tanvi.
Thank you.
Okay, so guys, you can put down your hands. I'll tell you what this course is all about. So 1 minute, I'll open this module names too for you guys. Okay, so if you have already gone through the course, you will see take a business online. Okay, so that represents it talks about taking your business online, taking your business website online actually. Okay, so when you go to Google, when you search for your business name, particular name, for example, if you take Desicrew, if you go to Google and search for Desicrew, then Desicrew website should appear. Okay, so taking business online talks about having a website and making it live on the actual internet for the search engines. So you have to understand two topics here. So creating a website and then ranking the website. These two things are very important. Creating a website will take a lot of time. Okay, so you have to design each and every page of the website. So say for example, if you have a diary, let us assume you have a diary. Okay, you'll write all the daily activities in the diary, right? So 21st, what happened on 21st October? What happened on 22nd October? So you'll write it in a diary, right? I mean, if you have a habit. So website is similar to that. Every now and then you'll have some other topic and you have to write something on that topic, which we call every page. Whatever you put on the website is called a page. Okay. The first one, when you enter a website, I'll share my screen. So this is just like, some introduction on websites for you guys. Okay, I'll take you and load on. Okay. Okay, so once you type this website URL, this first page is appearing, right? So this is what we call homepage. If you guys don't know about it, it's called homepage. Okay, after that you'll have a lot of pages. Oh, wait a minute. You'll have a lot of pages under this section. Under this section, another pages. See, a lot of pages are there in the website. And also, once you go to this blog section, you'll find different blogs. Okay, each blog is considered as a single page. So this is one page, this is one page, this is one page. So there are a lot of pages on this website. Okay, see. And every time we find something, every time we want to create something, we'll create another page. I'll tell you the components of a website for the for your understanding. Okay, in any website there will be one logo related to the company. Okay, so this logo, if you click on it, it will take you to the home page. That is basic for every website. If you take details also, if you click on details, then it will go to dashboard. See, that is the home page of this details portal. Similarly, if you go to Twitter now, if you click on home, so this is the home page. This is the profile page on Twitter. So every website there will be different types of pages. Okay, if you click on this, this small bird icon, it will take you to the home page. Okay, this is the home. You understand? So you can either click on this or you can click on this. Okay, that's called home page. And also, let us take Desicrew. Desicrew.in, right? Okay. Okay, we'll go to some other page. Okay. And then if you click on the logo, it will take you back to the home page. That is basic for every website, any website you take. So if you click on the logo, it should go to home page. The second part you have to understand in a website is this header. Okay, here you'll have menu items. Okay, these are all menu items. So under every menu, you will have sub menus. Okay, so this is the basic thing. And again, on the top, generally we'll have contact us button. For example, why we'll have a contact us button is whenever a client, visits the website, he has to click on these buttons. So for every digital marketer, you keep in your mind, we will not take the entire website into consideration. We'll only think of getting clicks on these buttons. So here there is one button, contact us button, and then get started button. And then you'll see take a 2-minute survey button, and then read more buttons. Okay. And then you'll have blog buttons, blog read modes. And then again, you'll have contact us button. Okay. So we'll concentrate on these buttons, and we'll see how these buttons are placed on a website. Okay. And, every time this button will be in a combination of colors or a single color. Once you click on it, it will open a Calendly link. So here they have to select a date, and then they have to, put their email ID as well. So this is our motto. This is the final thing we want to achieve. From the entire website, we'll receive a lot of collections, lot of, email IDs, lot of, these meetings and all they'll schedule. And also sometimes they'll send an email. So if you click on contact us, you'll see this contact us form. Okay. They'll fill these forms. They'll send an email. So there are a lot of ways these customers will be contacting us. So we have to make sure they have seen all these buttons. So all these buttons should be visible. So the fourth part on a website is buttons. Okay. The first one is logo. Second one is menus. Third one is sub menus. And the fourth one is contact us buttons. I mean, all the buttons on the, buttons on the website. And then we'll come to the header part. So every website will have a headings. Okay. Different kinds of headings. So if you see this heading is a little bit, heavy in text. It's too big, right? So the second heading, if you see, it's a smaller heading. The third heading again is a big heading. Okay. So similar to how you have written your high school assignments, essay writings and things like that, for every essay question, you'll write this, right? A heading, subheadings, subheadings as in your language. So, but that is also subheading. So similar to that, every website will have headings and subheadings. Okay. The first heading which you see is called H1. It is called heading 1. So it's like the top heading. It's like the big head of the entire website. Okay. And after that, under that will come subheadings. This will be either H2 or H3 or H4 or H5. So every website will have 5 different types of headings. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. Heading 1 is the king of all headings. Okay. Heading 2, you can assume it as a queen. Heading 3 is the, the minister. You can say anything. I mean, according to the hierarchy. So, every website will also have H1. We'll call this H1 tag. Okay. So every website will have headings, and these headings are called H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tag. Under this, all these headings now, you will have text. This is what we call paragraph text. Just a plain text. Okay. And after that, we'll have buttons, as I have mentioned. And then we'll have images on the website. Okay. So this is just a graphical image on the website. I think I cannot find it. 1 minute. Okay, I cannot pinpoint this image. But yeah, this section is also an image. Okay. I don't know, for some reason I'm not able to find this. Okay. But anyway, so this is one image, the header image. They have added this as background image, which is why it's difficult to find it, with the right click also. And then we'll have customer logos. So these are all the logos of the customers. And after that, we'll also add some types of boxes and all. Guys, by the way, this website is not going to be the final one. We are changing the website again, to improve the view. Okay. So again, we'll have these table sections, and then this, infographic kind of things. So everything will be there in the website. Okay. Just let me refresh it. Okay, so these are all what we call line icons. Okay, so it's just a simple line. We drew it on Illustrator, Photoshop. So you take anything, we'll draw it. Okay, so once they're drawn, they'll be uploaded here as logos, so you can see the image we have created. Okay, so this is what we call line images, and this is what we call illustration images. Okay, both are different. And then there will be another type of images, this human kind of images, right? This we call as stock images. Okay, so Desicrew is only using stock images mostly. And this is also another stock image. And this is a single image, I believe. Yeah, it's a single image. And then the contact us form. I think that's all. Okay, so you have understood, right? So in the middle of this, all the content, we'll put some forms. It's like very sneaky. So once, the customer reaches this point, he'll understand it is a survey, and they'll take the survey with entering their email address. What happens after that they enter this email ID is, I'll get a mail from, this website saying that, this person has entered this email ID and he has sent us a query. Okay, or maybe he has taken a survey. So we'll receive it back in. Okay. And after that, you will have all this, this is a customer testimonial. For B2B business or B2C business, this is very important. Okay. So the homepage will also have testimonials. If you go to Desicrew, you may also find it. Okay. They have not included here. Maybe they have included in the company. But anyway, here, if you see, they have given some pointers here, right? But we have given testimonials here. So that's the difference, okay? And we'll have other sections also. And then we'll have this infographics again. So every website will have the same components. Whatever website you take, they'll have the same components. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay? See? Okay? So that's about the website. So what happens, once we create this page, what we will do? We have to make it rank in the Google. So that's where this SEO part will come. For example, if you have a function in your home, I think I have explained this with an example in the last session in 101, maybe, I don't remember. So if you have a big function in your home, what will you do? How will you invite the people? You'll send some invitation cards, right? Similar to that, you have to send an invitation card to Google. So this time it will not be an invitation card. It's called SEO. SEO is like an invitation for the Google to come to your website to see it and to make it rank in the Google. Okay. You can do SEO. See, also, once you finish the SEO, it's not necessary that your website will appear in Google. Sometimes it might not appear. Okay. For example, if I go to Google and search for Desicrew, it's appearing in the first place. Okay. So that's fine. And if I take another company like, QA and Cloud, you will also see that in the Google. Okay. See, the first link is QA and Cloud. The reason why I'm saying this is, you guys cannot see, but I can say because I'm the manager of this, this particular QA and Cloud account. So that's why I'm able to see this. Okay. So Google, it will not necessarily rank all the pages. So sometimes it will not rank. Sometimes it will not show your website in the, the Google search results. It's because of the bad SEO, or maybe your website quality is very low. So only in these two things, only during those two things, Google will not rank your website. Okay. And the content, whatever content you put in the website, it should be related to your business only. You should not put others, misleading information on your website. Only then your website will get ranked. For example, if you take this, it's clearly written that it is an app testing company. Okay. So Google will understand, okay, this company does QA as solutions, which is why, entire thing, it's related to quality assurance, testing your application, customer experience, blah, blah, blah. So we will only talk about quality. So Google will understand it. That is the magic of Google. Okay. Once it understands what you're doing on your website, then only Google will rank you. Okay, now let us talk about Google's process also. Okay, how Google will, come to your website, how it will, take data from your website and all. We'll talk about it. Okay, Google is not a person, right? It's just a search engine. It's an algorithm. No, it has a lot of websites. See, for every day, thousands and lakhs of websites are coming online, and all these websites are inviting Google to, come to their website and see the content. And if it is nice, Google should be ranking. So Google has a lot of work to do. Okay. So what Google will do is it will send its kits. So Google kits are called crawlers. I'll put the name in the chart. It's called crawlers or spiders. Both are same. Okay. Google spiders or Google crawlers. So these are the kits of Google. The reason why they named it as spiders, no? Google, it's called World Wide Web, right? Web is what a spider's place, right? So that's why they have named it as spiders, crawlers. So what Google's crawlers will do is Google will have lakhs, crores, we can't even count. So these are all, similar to bots or spiders. So what Google will do is it will send some spiders to your website, and these spiders, they'll crawl on your entire website. I mean, you cannot see it. You cannot see literally a spider, crawling on your website. You cannot see that. But in the back end, it will crawl. Okay. It will understand each and every page. So one crawler, 10 crawlers or 100 crawlers will come to the homepage. They'll crawl through the entire website. They'll identify what are these buttons, what is the text written on the website. And some spiders, they'll go to about us page. Some will go to how it works. So all these spiders will crawl through your entire website. This process, it's not a one-time process. Every single day, Google will send its crawlers to your website. Every single day, every single minute. Even now, Google's crawlers are there in the website. We cannot see it. Okay, that's the magic. And once these crawlers finish, so a spider comes. Let us assume a spider comes. It will go like this and this and this till the end. It will go. Okay, it will collect all the data and it will go back to Google. It will go to Google and will say, Google, I have seen this, I have seen that. The company has a footer also. In the footer, they have mentioned a lot of things. Each one is a different page. So it will report everything to Google. Google's algorithm, then it will understand and it will, show results in the Google. So once it understands, okay, this website is completely talking about one particular topic, or, this is what this website does. So Google is like a kid only. So Google will understand everything. And after that only it will rank. Okay. And let us talk about these specific sections. See, if you see the website name has come, and after that, see these small things, careers, companies, software testing, QA testing service solutions, blah, blah, blah. So these are all a part of that only, the spiders. Okay. Spiders will say, see, a lot of people are coming to career space. Maybe we can rank it in the Google. So if we rank it in the Google, then maybe more people will come to the website. So Google's crawlers will tell Google that, hey, these pages have a lot of people coming in. Then Google will rank these pages as well. Okay. These are all, these are marked under schema. We'll call it as schema. Schema is individual pages which are getting, more traction than the other pages. Okay. I think I have shared a lot of information, but yeah, guys. And also see this particular box. Okay, wait, let me search for basic rows. I'm not sure if they are getting it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, God. Just give me 1 minute. My fingers are not supporting me. They're being idiots today. Oh, my God. Okay. So, see, this box has come. Okay. In basic group box, we see Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, blah, 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 people's reviews, and then basic cruise reviews, and then see the Facebook and Ambition box reviews. So they have a lot of information here. Similar to that, Q&A Cloud will have, the addresses, questions. If someone asks a questions, so I think someone has asked, and then the reviews, and then the Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook profiles. and then the competitors. So this section is for competitors. So these are the competitors of QAnon, and these are the competitors of Desi Group. Okay. Someone has named the same name. Deku. Okay, whatever. So yeah, that's about it. So this also will be taken by crawlers only. So crawlers will understand. So from QAnon, see, this entire thing, no, it is in the QAnon about us page, companies about us. So Google will take all this information only from crawlers. See, QAnon is a leading software testing services company based. Same sentence it will be here. QAnon is a leading software testing company based in Chennai. We did not do it, okay? It's done by crawlers only. Okay. I think I have explained you guys what crawlers are, what's a website, the components of website, and I think that's it, guys. That's it for this section. Next session, I'll explain more concepts and we have a quiz as well in the next session. So the next session will be on 25th. I'm giving you a lot of time to prepare. Okay. So 25th we'll have a quiz. Okay. Prepare well. Go through all the concepts. So whatever topics we have learned, I'll give the same questions from the same topics. Nothing out of the syllabus or something. So you guys can try your best. And the teams, I'll only tell you, once you join the call on 25th. Only then I'll decide what teams are to be divided, how many people should be there in the teams and all. Okay? So that's all, guys. That's about it. Thanks.